Hi, I'm Ashley with Unwind the Mind, Hypnosis and Wellness, and today this is going to be a lesson in Downward Facing Dog, Adho Mukha Savasana, a lesson by Yoga with Ashley Lynn. So, Downward Facing Dog, Adho Mukha Savasana, is a resting pose in yoga. At least it becomes a resting pose. So to get into it, we'll come to our table position, which is all fours. When I have you come to all fours, I'm going to have you spread your fingers wide. We call it wide like starfish. Your knees are going to be about 1.5 fist distance apart. You're going to engage your shoulders and draw up in your core. So you're creating a nice flat tabletop surface. So if you take one foot back into a plank or push-up position and then the other foot back, feel the strength in your core. And then press your hips and buttocks back and straight up. This is your downward facing dog. So this is a little wide when we're first starting out our day. So sometimes we step in a little bit, but know that your true downward facing dog is going to be that wider version. To start, you might walk your feet in just a little bit. And not everyone's heels are going to go all the way to the ground. So your feet might be up a little bit. And you can also soften the knees. The thing is, you want to have your shoulders really engaged, and the butt is the highest peak of your triangle. And your core is drawn nice and in. And your head hangs nice and loose and limp like a rag doll. You can shake it no and nod it yes, and maybe you walk your dog a little bit, lowering one heel and then the other to whatever level it goes to. So this is a really, really good position for stretching out the back, the legs, the hips. And then just hold the position and breathe. You want your weight to be equally balanced in both feet. You really want to make sure those shoulders are engaged. So you're not rotating the arms forward like that. You're not lifting your head. You want to just lift up and out of the wrist and just exist and breathe here. So you're stretching out the backs of the legs, you're working your core, and you're getting a nice arm stretch here. Back is getting stretched out. It's a great all-over stretch. After you've been practicing yoga for a while, this is going to become a position of rest. So it's really nice when that happens. Until that happens, though, know that you can always lower down and slide back into our other resting pose, child's pose, and just release and exist. And so that's your downward facing dog lesson for today. So thank you for joining, and remember, you can check us out on unwindthemind.biz or yogabyashlylyn.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.